Wow, a beautiful day. Hola, soy Dora the Explorer. Let's see what his papa and mama are doing. Good morning, abuela.
Good morning, Dora. We are having toast and eggs.
Can I eat on the couch?
Dora, you cannot eat on the couch. You will make a mess. The food is on the kitchen.
I am done.
Okay, play in the backyard, we need grand time.
Eşbirlik, Cihat 6Q1 ULEK WVVSEXRDCTFBGYBHINJNU for Deswek WAESRDTFYGUHJK MCDHYJGMKMZDNHCBEGYYYYYYYYYYYYYYYTDHYSXMZMOLIAC Doris Hahila Nabelina Jakardiana.
Dora, it's time to go back in.
Okay, Mom. I will put my little chair in the microwave. Ha 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 ha, so funny.
Dora, I am back from my walk. Dora, why are you pointing at me?
Because I want you to know what I did.
Oh my god! My special microwave. Dora the stupid explorer. How dare you break the microwave? That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.